In this video, I will show you how to save your chat history in NotebookLM. I'll begin by clicking the Create New button to start a fresh project. To give the AI some context, I'll click Upload Files and select my PDF overview. Once the document is processed, it appears as a source on the left, and a summary is generated in the chat window. I'll click a suggested question to see how the AI handles my data. The system explains that it treats my documents as a source of truth using a process called Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This ensures that every answer is grounded in my specific files and provides clear citations for accuracy. To make sure this chat stays put, I'll check the three-dot menu in the corner. A message confirms that chat history is now automatically saved across sessions, so my work is always backed up. I can verify this by going back to the main dashboard and reopening the notebook, where you'll see the entire history is still visible. If I want to keep a specific answer as a permanent reference, I click Save to Note. This moves the response into the Studio panel on the right. I can then select both my original source and this new note to help the AI better understand my research goals as I continue my session. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.